Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you 20 easy words which you can replace with the word very, very, very. So let's get started with today's video. Very angry, furious, very beautiful, gorgeous, very noisy, deafening, very clean, spotless, very short, brief, very difficult, arduous, very good, excellent, very stupid, idiotic, very dry, arid, very quick, rapid, very bad, awful, very upset, distraught, very cold, freezing, very huge, colossal, very calm, serene, very ugly, hideous, very quiet, hushed, very expensive, costly, very easy, effortless, very wet, soaked. If this video was helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.